Welcome to the peaceful forest, where every animal comes to say good night to you. As you step into the cool embrace of the forest, the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft hooting of owls signal the beginning of a tranquil night. Hello, little one. Moonlight cascades and stars twinkle above. As a forest guardian, I watch every leaf sway. Close your eyes. Let warm dreams guide you to sleep. Good night. May your dreams be peaceful and starry. Hello, little one. Today we enjoyed nature's gifts in the forest. Now, as night falls, close your eyes and let the day's joy and warmth bring you peaceful sleep. Good night. May your dreams be sweet and cozy. Hello, buddy. Today, we hopped on the meadow, searching for carrots and sharing laughter. Moonlight shimmers on tall grass, casting playful shadows. As night falls, dream of tomorrow's meadows. Good night. May today's joy fill your dreams. Hello, friend. Thank you for sharing today. We gathered nuts on tree branches in the whispering wind. As the forest settles under the moon, enjoy this peace. Close your eyes. Let the rustling leaves soothe you. Good night. May your dreams be filled with nuts and forest warmth. Hello, buddy. We've had a wonderful day in this tranquil forest, munching on bamboo and enjoying the quiet beauty. Now, as moonlight filters through the groves, close your eyes and imagine tomorrow's adventures. Good night. May your dreams be peaceful and warm. Hello, buddy. Today brought surprises and laughter. We explored every corner, finding treasures in rustling leaves. As the forest settles under moonlit skies, dream of tomorrow's adventures. Good night. May your dreams be enchanted. Dear friend, your presence brightens the forest today. As night falls and the moon glows gently, let's cherish this tranquility together. Imagine tomorrow's adventures in the whispering forest. Good night. May your dreams carry today's joy into a peaceful slumber. Hello, friend. Your flight today brightened the forest, filling our hearts with joy. Now, rest on the branch under the stars. Good night. May your dreams be filled with blue skies and cozy nests. Hello, dear friend. Thank you for your companionship today. We enjoyed the forest's beauty together. Now, as you rest under the stars, close your eyes and let warm dreams guide you to sleep. Good night. May your dreams be cozy and peaceful. Now, every animal in the forest has wished you a good night. Close your eyes, remember today's beautiful memories, and let dreams continue to explore the wonders of the forest. Good night, little one. May your dreams be filled with the magic and warmth of the forest. Good night, peaceful forest.